Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. I hope you learned present tense, which we discussed in the previous class. What do you mean by tense? Tense refers the time of action. There are three tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. And each tense is classified into four: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Today we will discuss past tense. Past tense refers an action which happened in the past. Which are the four classifications of past tense? Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. First one, simple past. Simple past tense refers an action which completed in the past. As its name suggests, the form of simple past tense is very simple. Subject plus V2. V2 means the second form or the past form of the verb. There is no need to check whether the subject is singular or plural. That means with the singular subjects as well as the plural subjects, we have to use the second form of the verb. The second form of the verb play is played. Write is wrote. Jump is jumped. Sing is sang. For example, he played cricket yesterday. They played cricket yesterday. So, no need to check whether the subject is singular or plural. With the plural subjects as well as the singular subjects, we have to use the second form of the verb in simple past tense. And what about the form of simple present tense? The form of simple present tense is subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES. There we have to check whether the subject is singular or plural. According to that, we have to use V1 or V1 plus S or ES. The simple past tense also denote a habitual action in the past or a routine in the past which is not following now or which is not continuing at the present. For example, Asma carried a bottle of water wherever she went. That means it was her past habit. Now she is not doing the same or she is not following the same. So we use simple past tense to denote a completed action in the past and also to denote a habitual action in the past. What is the form of simple past tense? Subject plus V2. Second one, past continuous tense. We use the continuous form of past tense to refer an action which was going on at a certain point of time in the past. That means at a certain point of time that action was going on. The form of past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. As we all know, with all the continuous form we have to use ing form of the verb or verb plus ing. And here with the singular subjects we have to use was, and with the plural subjects we have to use were. For example, now you are listening to me. So you can say I am listening to my teacher. Tomorrow you can say I was listening to my teacher yesterday at this time. Today you can say I am listening to my teacher. It is present continuous tense. At the same time, when you refer an action which was going on at a certain time in the past, you can say I was listening to my teacher yesterday at this time. Hope you understood. So what is the form of past continuous tense? Subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. It refers an action which was going on at a certain time in the past. Another example, Jagan was sleeping when the guests arrived. Jagan was sleeping when the guests arrived. We have some textual activities related to this. Let's do it now. Page number 87, activity F. Complete the paragraph with the simple past form of the verbs given in the box. In the box, some verbs are given there. We have to use the simple past form of these verbs. Record. What is the simple past form of record? Recorded. Calculate. Calculated. Explain. Explained. Travel. Travelled. Perform. Performed. Demonstrate. Demonstrated. Test. Tested. discover, discovered. So use these simple past forms wherever necessary. Do it yourself. Page number 88, activity G. Fill in the blanks with the simple past or past continuous tense of the verbs in bracket. For the simple past, we have to use second form of the verb, and for the past continuous tense, we have to use subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. First one, Sanji dashed to the doctor because she dash not dash well. Go and feel are the verbs given in bracket. Answer, Sanji went to the doctor because she was not feeling well. Second one, when the principal dashed the class, the children dash her joyfully. Enter and greet are the verbs given there. So what is the answer? When the principal entered the class, the children greeted her joyfully. Find out the rest of the answers yourself. The answer key is attached with the notes, but before that you have to do it yourself, then check your answers. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. The notes also attached. Learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with the continuation of this topic. Thank you.